If it's a woman, blood must mean period. They don't think of anything else. I don't know if they would react the same to a man.
I went to my doctor, and he said, no, look, it must be hemorrhoids. But it became increasingly debilitating. So I went back and said, let me see a proctologist. He'll be the judge.
Hello, I'm Marianna from the Digestive Cancer Europe team, and I conducted a study that is published on BMC Gastroenterology on the experience of care of early-onset colorectal cancer patients. We want to cover a gap in the literature as there was no evidence reported on what is the experience of care of young patients affected by colorectal cancer. For doing this, we conducted 7 focus groups with patients diagnosed with colorectal cancer under the age of 50 in 7 European countries. Thanks to this study, we were able to identify several challenges that young patients face throughout their cancer journey. These challenges were organized in our report based on the stage of the cancer journey, the pre-diagnosis, the diagnosis, and the post-diagnosis. So in the pre-diagnosis phase, most of the patients didn't know that they were at risk of getting colorectal cancer, even though they had family history of the tumor. Also, they didn't show any typical symptoms, and the symptoms that they refer most of the time was fatigue. At the diagnosis stage, many experienced significant delays. They were dismissed because of their age, and for women, they were also dismissed because their symptoms were associated with gynecological issues. Most of them had to advocate for themselves, and also for biomarker, they didn't receive enough information, or they had to seek for this test by their own. Finally, in the post-diagnosis phase, participants shared both emotional and physical impact. Many times they had to search for support at the private level or throughout the support of other patients. This study was possible thanks to the help and support of our member organization and our patient community. Thanks to all the patients that participate in this study and who made this research possible.